In our last video, we have seen different features of preference shares. Now today we are going to study types of preference shares. First type of preference shares are of 8 types: cumulative, non-cumulative, participating, non-participating, convertible, non-convertible, redeemable and irredeemable. So cumulative preference shares are those shares on which dividend goes on accumulating until it is fully paid. Simple meaning of cumulative preference shares is that in case in any year, if due to any reason, suppose due to insufficient amount of profit or due to loss, if company fails to make payment of dividend to the cumulative preference share, suppose in the year 2020, if company fails to make payment of dividend to the cumulative preference shares due to loss or due to insufficient profit, in that case company cannot pay the amount of dividend to the cumulative preference shares. So the amount of dividend for the year 2020 remains unpaid and gets accumulated. In next year, suppose in the year 2021, if company earns handsome amount of profit, company performs well, company earns sufficient amount of profit. So in year 2021, company can pay amount of dividend for current year 2021 plus amount of dividend of previous year that remains unpaid by the business due to situation of loss or insufficient profit. So that type of cumulative preference shares are called as cumulative preference shares. The preference shares are always cumulative unless otherwise stated in articles of association of the company. Articles of association is a document related to the internal rules and regulations of the company. All types of preference shares are cumulative unless and otherwise stated in the articles of association of the company. The arrears of dividend are paid before making any amount of dividend, before making any payment of dividend to the equity shareholders. Then second type of preference shares are non-cumulative preference shares. Non-cumulative preference shares are just opposite of cumulative preference shares. Dividend on these shares does not get accumulated. This means the dividend on shares can be paid only out of profits of that current year. For example, if take the same example, if in the year 2020, if company suffers from losses, in that situation company cannot pay dividend to the non-cumulative preference shares, and once the dividend remain unpaid, that amount of dividend of that unpaid year cannot be claimed by the non-cumulative preference shareholders. That means the dividend of that year gets lapsed. That type of preference shares are called as non-cumulative preference shares. The right to claim dividend will lapse if company does not make profit in that particular year. If dividend is not paid in any year, it is lost forever. Then the third type is participating preference shares. Participating preference shares have a right to participate in extra profits of the company like equity shares of the company. Means besides their fixed rate of dividend, these participating preference shares can also get a share in extra profits of the company which is left over after giving dividend to equity shareholders. So that type of preference shares are called as a participating preference shares. The surplus profit which remains after the dividend has been paid to equity shareholders up to certain limit is distributed to the preference shareholders. That type of preference shares are called as participating preference shares. They have right to get their fixed rate of dividend plus they have right to share extra profits of the company like the equity shareholders of the company. That type of shares are called as participating preference shares. And fourth type is a non-participating preference shares. Non-participating preference shares meaning is just opposite of participating preference shares. Non-participating preference shares do not have any right to share the extra profits of the company. They get only their fixed rate of dividend every year. They do not have any right to share or to participate in extra profits of the company like the equity shareholders. That type of preference shares are called as non-participating preference shares. Then the next is convertible preference shares. Convertible preference shares meaning is very simple. Convertible preference shares means the shares, the type of preference shares that can be converted into equity shares. That type of preference shares are called as convertible. Always remember, when the word convertible is given, convertible means conversion into equity shares only. So convertible preference shares means the type of preference shares that can be converted into equity shares. That type of preference shares are called as convertible preference shares. Then the non-convertible preference shares. Non-convertible preference shares means opposite of convertible preference shares, the type of preference shares that cannot be converted into equity shares. That type of preference shares are called as non-convertible preference shares. Then the next is redeemable preference shares. We have already studied a meaning of preference share capital. Preference share capital is not a permanent capital of the company. Preference shares are required to be redeemed or to be refunded or repaid by the company after a specific period of time. So redeemable preference shares means the shares which can be redeemed after certain fixed period of time are called redeemable preference shares. And last type is irredeemable preference shares. Always remember, all types of preference shares are redeemable preference shares, and irredeemable preference shares means the preference shares that cannot be redeemed during the lifetime of the company but can be redeemed only in the event of winding up or closure of the company. That type of preference shares are called as irredeemable preference shares. However, as per section 55(1) of Companies Act 2013, company cannot issue irredeemable preference shares. So all these are the 8 types of preference shares. Meaning of non-cumulative is opposite of cumulative. Meaning of non-participating is opposite of participating. Meaning of non-convertible is opposite of convertible. And meaning of irredeemable is opposite of redeemable. That means you have to study only 4 types. On the basis of these 4, you can easily write the another 4 types of, or you can easily explain another 4 types of preference shares. This type of question is generally asked for 8 marks as a broad question. What is meant by preference shares, and explain different types of preference shares for 8 marks. Then how to write the question? First you have to mention or you have to explain the meaning of preference shares. After explaining the meaning, write the types one by one and then explain any 6 points of preference shares or any 6 types of preference shares that you feel easy. Again, the next question is related to debentures. The next topic in this chapter is a topic of debentures. In case of debentures also, there are 8 types of debentures: secured, unsecured, registered bearer, convertible, non-convertible, redeemable and irredeemable. So these 4 types of, see the last 4 types: convertible, non-convertible, redeemable and irredeemable. The same types are given in case of debentures also. So you need not to study that point again. If you study these 4 types, you have to write same explanation there also. Only the difference is of words. Instead of preference shares, you have to write debentures. Convertible debentures means debentures that can be converted into equity shares. Non-convertible debentures, debentures that cannot be converted into equity shares, are called as non-convertible debentures. Redeemable and irredeemable also. So convertible, non-convertible, redeemable and irredeemable, these last 4 points are common in case of types of debentures also. So there you need not to study these 4 points. You can write the same explanation, but you have to change the word. Instead of preference shares, you have to write debentures. Otherwise the explanation is same.